Hello, in this video I'm gonna showcase these INIU fast charging cables. They are USB-C, okay, USB-A. So let me show you. I bought this because I like to charge my devices with fast charger things. Okay, this is how one of the things I love about them is the fact that they have a pretty nice build. Okay, sturdy. This one it's a tiniest one, and they have this thing so you can put them kind of really well managed, not messing. Look, okay. I have also this one 2 meters. I think this is 6.6 feet. Okay, look how nice they are built. Here you get a light. Okay, let me show you in detail. Look, well built, and they have also this strap. Now let me try this one. Okay, so you can see that they are actually fast charging cables. Let me plug this, and let me grab my phone. I'm gonna plug it. You can see here a little light. Okay, and there you go. It's charging nicely. Okay, so this was the tryout and impressions about these fast charging USB-C cables by INIU. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.